Hi guys, so I am back. I'm gonna do another hair tutorial for you guys. I wore this yesterday and I really like how it came out, so I wanted to show you guys. So what you're gonna need is just 2 bobby pins and just a brush, so you can just brush your hair, and some bangs. If you don't have any bangs, then you know that's fine, but I do have bangs, so let's get started. So what I'm gonna do is I already straightened my bangs yesterday, so these are my bangs right here. These are my bangs that I straightened yesterday. So I'm gonna get those out of the way. Okay. So I have my mirror here so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, so what you want to do, you also need a hair tie. So what you want to do is you want to grab from here and just put it like in a side like this, just to one side. So what you want to do is you want to start twisting this side right here all the way like this, like that. And what you want to do is pull it up a little bit and bobby pin it. Like that. I'm going to use 2. So you got something like this. Now what you want to do is grab all the remaining hair and put it in a bun like that. Tie it. So just want to fix this little bobby pin here like that. And you want to let this down and fix it however you want to fix it. This is the final look. Let me give you a little twist in the back like that. And this is what I did yesterday, and I really like how it came out. So it was easy to do, and just to give it a little bump on the back. You can also do like a bump right here, but I like it sideways. So this is what the final looks like, and you can just hairspray it if you want to, but I'm not going to. So this is the look, and I really hope you guys enjoy this quick updo that I just made myself yesterday. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe. It will mean a lot to me if you guys subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time for more. Bye guys.